Okay, it's day 22. I don't know, I've been hiking for what, an hour and a half?
About that?
About an hour and a half.
No.
So I set my alarm for 5. Got my stuff packed up. I camped out last night instead of in the shelter. And had oatmeal for breakfast and about to have a snack. So yeah, here's to day 22. Oh, morning again. We're just on the top of Seiler's Bald. And you can see Clingman's Dome out in the distance. We just passed the sign. It's 4.3 miles. So it looks way farther than that. But it's pretty cool. Now we got a little more hop in our step. Pretty excited. See, my nose is dripping. Constant nose sniffling. Learning to shoot snot rockets. Just can't carry enough tissues. So, anyway, it's a great day. Wind is whipping through. It's still pretty icy, but there's a lot of open trail too. It's a little better today.
Hidden forest.
It's all cloudy. This is the green ghost coming up. This is what we're coming down, a mile and a half from Clingman's Dome. Super icy and slippery. So it'll be a slow go.
So yeah, I was going to take y'all out for a steak dinner. Well,
Really?
no.